I like language masters very much because the teachers are very well educated and they explain materials very well, and I feel like I'm studying in a good atmosphere. And this is my second school. And when I compare this to school, I find that in this school I feel more comfortable and I learn much better than the others. I live very close, so the location is perfect. It's near Bahnhofstrasse, it's near lake, and yeah, the location is perfect. In A1, my teacher was Simon and he was Swiss, and I found it very well because he usually explains things like what is in German and what is in Swiss German. And yeah, it was really very, very helpful, even some small rules, and even it was in A1, so I didn't know so much in German, but his techniques and his explanation, his studying was fascinating for me. And now my teacher is Teresa, and she's Deutsch, and she's very, very good. She explains very well. She's very nice. I know I use so many very, but yeah, I'm very happy with the school. Very, very happy, very, very happy. I don't use German in daily life. At home I don't use German, only at school. Yeah, and I find it very hard. But it's getting better. I think in every lesson it's getting better and better. Of course, small steps, but I can feel it.